Hi, this is Brent with Inside Audio, and today we're going to be looking at the Strymon Iridium. The Iridium is an amp and carb simulator, and I've had a couple of days to play with it, figure out how it sounds, and sort of get an opinion as to how I think it compares against other amp modelers that I've used previously. The main features of the Iridium are its three classic amp models, which are the Fender Twin Reverb, the Marshall Plexi, and the Vox AC30. It has up to 9 impulse responses per cabinet, and you can also load your own impulse responses into this using the USB in the back here. It has a room control, and it also has a 3-band EQ. Now, the blatantly staring obvious thing is that this is really portable, and that's probably the allure of the Iridium over other amp modelers, because things like the Kemper, the Moore GE300, the Helix, they're all fantastic, but they are quite big profile controllers, and this is a seriously small footprint for a seriously good sound. So I think this definitely wins when it comes to portability. You could certainly chuck this into a bag, take it on the plane. You would never ever have to worry about this. You could bring this to a gig, put it in the PA system. You could be using it as a session guitarist for studio work. It's probably the best solution for portability if that's one of your primary concerns. So let's take a listen to the amp and carb sounds that the Iridium has to offer. So in summary, my verdict on the Iridium is it's an incredibly unique product given its platform and form factor, which is going to rival a lot of the competition that's out there. Not only that, a lot of the options that come with a lot of these big amp modelers are fantastic, but often you don't even end up using it. I find with the Iridium, you got a handful of the best sounds that has ever came to rock and roll and guitar, and you can explore and delve into them a lot rather than having a plethora of sounds, options that you're not going to actually use a great deal. So it just depends on your circumstances. Do you want something that's versatile and you can do everything with under the sun, or do you want something that does the job really well, fits in your pocket, and has a no-frills approach to getting great tone?